What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform. My name is B with Prey for Snow Auto Detailing, and how pumped am I to bring you a 2017 Ford F350? Well, I am super pumped because I love detailing, and it seems like all I do anymore, I shouldn't say that. I do a lot of trucks, and work trucks are sometimes the sickest, and the interior of this beautiful white F350, it is thrashed. It's gonna be so sick. I'm so pumped. The customer has I think it's a lawn care business. So yeah, if you can just picture that in your mind, it's gonna be, I'm so excited to transform this back to its beautiful self, sans everything in there. It's gonna be sick. I actually, when I looked at the registration to see what year it was, because I can guess approximate, but I wanted to be sure for you, my awesome viewers, and I opened up the registration. I looked and it said 2023, and I thought, I actually went and looked at the front end again. I was like, no, this is not a 2023. I was looking at a registration for a trailer. Silly. Whoops. Let's start on wheels and tires. This is really gonna be sick. There's tons of contaminants on here. It's gonna be, this detail. No, all detailing is sick. One reason that I love work trucks so much is look at how dirty these wheels and tires are. And by the way, Fuel, they make a ton of wheels and they do a good job. They look crisp. So this one's gonna be sick. I didn't grab the iron remover. That was a mistake. I'm gonna go get it right now. We'll rinse, use iron remover, and then wheel and tire cleaning. Carpeted wheel wells, let's see. Yes up front, no in the rear. I'm a huge fan of iron remover, but I am so impressed with how much this 3D iron remover took off that wheel and tire. So used to saying wheel and tire together. The wheel, it is actually shiny chrome. It's not done, but I'm super impressed. Still in that weird time frame in Utah where I don't need heat, but it's cold, but I definitely need dry. So thank heavens this Mr. Cool AC has, what are they called? Dehumidifying, which is awesome. Sweet. Let's, no, it's just, is it? Oh, it looks like, so it looks like maybe something was painted. I can't tell. Anyway, paint looks damaged. Sorry. Sometimes I get distracted. Often. Let's pre-wash. Pre-wash is just so sick because it just takes literally everything. I shouldn't say literally. It takes nearly everything, puts it safely on the ground. It's just awesome. Let's rinse this thing off. Maxi suds from Chemical Guys in the foam cannon. We'll go foam cannoning, hand wash, and then we'll decontaminate. This white paint it's thrashed. It's gonna have to be physically decontaminated with a clay bar. I've made that decision, but let's take down the edges of that iron on the paint with iron remover. Just like the wheels, this chemical decontamination is going sick so far. Because the paint is so contaminated or has so much fallout in it, we're gonna use a clay bar, and my new technique to keep the paint from getting marred. Just checking out the clay bars we're talking here. Anyway, the new technique is, not the newer technique. Anyway, I've advanced my methods over the years, and hot water makes this soft and supple, doesn't mar the paint. It's awesome. Simple rinsing, it will paint protect. Drying aid and paint protection at the same time with graphene spray. Graphene nano spray coating from 303. What a sick exterior transformation. The white, it always turns out so good. I used to really not be a fan. I've been converted over these past probably like 6 months of detailing because some of this paint has just turned out so good. And Ford, to their credit, has really good hyper white or blizzard white, whatever they call it, just a gloss white paint. But time for the interior, and booyah, this is going to be such a sick interior. Thank heavens it's a landscaper's truck and it's a work truck too. I'm glad they brought it to me. It is definitely thrashed to the carpets, even under the mats. It's not really horrible under most of the mats, but the carpet's gonna be sick. These floor mats are gonna be awesome. The plastic is this brown color, which is unique, which will be amazing to detail. This is gonna be sick. Oh, and the leather. I almost fell. It's got this brown leather, which is kind of different. This is gonna be pretty sick. I am pumped for the transformation. Not too much in the way of personal items. Let's get these mats out. We'll clean those. We'll get the personal items out after we clean the mats. And love the WeatherTech for their quality. I'm still just a little sad about how they stain. It's not a huge deal, but it's just this much sad. So my buddy Ace, who has been featured on this epic channel before, just texted me and asked me if I ever have had a repair bill that exceeded 3 pages. And he proceeded to send me 4 different photos of his repair bill on his F-150. And no, I've never had a repair bill exceed 3 pages, and it was an expensive repair bill. I feel for him. Hopefully we can get that F-150 in the garage pretty soon and make it look amazing, because he deserves it. Gotta make a correction here. I, like a noob, called this an F350. It's an F250. Huge mistake, and I'm so sorry about that. I'll put a little asterisk in the introduction. I've got P&S Express Interior Detailer. We're gonna do the leather first while the steam cleaner is warming up. The leather is not in horrible shape. I don't think I'm gonna need the steam cleaner. It's stained in a few spots, but this truck's in amazing shape. It was thrashed. Don't get, make no mistake, it is a landscaper's truck, and it was absolutely destroyed. But let's get the leather cleaned, and then we'll do the plastics. And I'm so stoked for the plastics. It's gonna be sick. Well, this is all. Detailing is sick. A couple random things stuck on that driver's seat, and there was one other place, I can't remember where, but plastics now, it's gonna be sick. Right here? Sure. So I was just out here working along. My beautiful bride was out with the boys for a minute. She brought them home to put them to bed. I walked in there to check on her or whatever, just to say hi. I did not, she's working now. I didn't see her when I first walked in there, and she made a rawr sound, and my heart, pretty sure I think I hit 200 beats a minute. It scared the dickens out of me. Shook me up a bit. I guess I shouldn't be listening to creepypastas or whatever while I'm out here working. Let us, my friends, protect the plastic and the leather with Carpro Pro. We'll start in the back here. I would of course like to take a little bit of time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail your F250, not 350. It was beautiful. It was a lot of fun. This transformation was really sick. Hope you like the results, and I hope you love this video. This transformation was so sick. This landscaper's truck was, it was such a blast. That interior was awesome. The exterior, I know it doesn't look as awesome on film, but trust me, it was bad. It was bad. Now it's awesome, but it was bad. Subscribe, another video, and truly thank you for hanging out.